If you're looking to sell your home, booking a valuation is the first step. Not only will you want to understand what your home might be worth, you'll want to know how we'll work with you, and you'll want to meet the agent who will be with you every step of the way. We'll listen carefully to your needs and priorities, and we'll walk you through our carefully considered approach to pricing and marketing your home so that we can achieve the best possible price. From our comprehensive marketing package that includes professional photography and 3D virtual tours, to our incentivised fee structure, we are absolutely committed to finding you the right buyer, the right price, in the right time frame. It's as simple as filling out your contact details so that one of our expert local agents can get in touch. We look forward to working with you.